Good morning, children. Welcome you all in our math session. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the world of shapes. Children, last year you have learned about the different shapes like triangle, square, rectangle, circle, oval. You know, triangle have three sides and three angles. Square have four same sides and four angles. Rectangle have four sides, opposite sides are equal, and four angles. Okay, and this is a circle. Circle have no sides and no corners. Oval also have no sides and no corners. You know this? Now we will see curve lines and straight lines. Okay. Curve lines and straight lines. Okay, children? Look here. This triangle have straight line. Square have also straight line. Rectangle have straight line. This circle and oval are in curve shape. So, we can say this box have straight line. Look here. Okay. Then this lid. Look here. This lid is in curve shape. Now this notebook also in straight shape. Okay, and look, this ball having curve line. Okay, children, means these objects, box, notebook, this lid and this ball having straight or curve lines. Okay, and you know, triangle, square, rectangle are made of straight lines. Okay, and circle and ovals are made up of with curve lines. Now I will tell you about horizontal, vertical and slanting lines. Look, this is a horizontal line. This is a vertical line and this is a slanting line. Means this slipping line is called horizontal line, standing line is called vertical line, and this is slanting line. Okay, and you know, children, horizontal, vertical and slanting lines are straight lines. Okay, look, this is a refrigerator, this is a door and this is a bus. Observe the top and bottom edges of a refrigerator. This door and school bus. The lines formed by them are horizontal lines. Okay. Now look at here. This is a traffic signal. This is a coconut tree. This is street light and this is a pole, and these things are in vertical line. Okay, when lines are drawn from top to bottom. That means in a standing position, that are called vertical lines. Okay? And the lines top and bottom edges of a things are formed in a sleeping position. They are called horizontal lines. Okay? Look at this picture. Look here. This is a sliding. This is a seesaw. Sorry, this is a seesaw. And this is a swing. Now look here. This slide is in slanting line. This stand of swing is also in slanting line, and seesaw is slanting line. Means children, straight lines which are neither vertical nor horizontal are called slanting lines. Means क्या? Slanting line means जो standing line भी नहीं है, जो sleeping line भी नहीं है, वो slanting line होती है. Understand children? Now you know about the horizontal lines, vertical lines and slanting lines. Now here in this picture, you have to join the dots with curved or straight lines and make at least 3 designs of your own. Look here. With the help of standing, slipping and slanting line, here is a boat. Here also. And this is a curve lines. Now you have to do another 3 designs of your own. Okay children? I hope now you know about the shapes, then curve lines and straight lines. These are curve lines, these are straight lines. And also horizontal lines, vertical lines and slanting lines. Okay. Thank you.